Yo, there's my Jasmy family. What's going on, guys? All right, so once again, more dollar cost averaging opportunity all around you, right? Before the market finally turns around, possibly will we turn around next week? Let's hope so, guys. Let's hope so. I think it's entirely possible we see a green week next week. After all of this correcting, all of this liquidating that's been happening, would not be the worst thing in the world to see some recovery next week, right? Too many people putting in longs, guys. You got to stop messing with leverage. All right, so what do we have? Jasmy down 10.3% on the day, down 27.2% on the week, up 55.3% on the month, and up 400% on the year. Down one spot in rank to 72, $1.55 billion market cap. Volume is down at 279 million. So yeah, like I said, across the market, guys, good opportunity to do some DCAing. Definitely something I am highly considering at this point. But we'll see what happens, right? Patreon will know exactly what I'm doing. All right, let's go have a look at the Jasmy chart, see what's going on. Still inside of our falling wedge pattern, guys. Very bullish there. And our golden cross, as you can see, is getting ready to take place probably tomorrow. And that is the 100-day crossing over the 200-day, guys. So the fact that we're in a bullish structure, falling wedge pattern, and we're in the bull flag is the golden cross is taking place, right? We need a third touch on the top of this trend line here for the falling wedge pattern. So I think we could see a break in the next day or so up to that 3 cents 9 level, 4 cents. Touch on that before we can get a break out of this falling wedge. You need those 3 touches is what I want to see. But again, the golden cross is taking place, guys, right? It is happening. So let's go on that. Let's go to the smaller time for the lower time frames and just kind of have a look at what the general sentiment is right now. So yeah, we had bottomed out down here. You know, we're back below the 200-day SMA on the 4-hour. Got to see that break to the upside here, man. Got to see the break to the upside. Not really seeing a trend reversal yet on the lower time frames. Same thing with the 1 hour, right? RSIs are getting pretty oversold though, so that's good. That's good news, right? But we do need to see a break to the upside. Let's go have a look over at Bitcoin this evening. What's Bitcoin doing? So on the daily time frame, yeah, we're below the trend line here. We're now using the 98,600 as resistance, and the 30-day SMA lined up perfectly with that level for the most part. RSI is creeping down into the oversold, however, so that's good news. We've lost support here, and now we're using this trend line as resistance, like I said. Let's go down to the lower time frames and have a little looky-loo at what's going on. So yeah, we got to break back above the 200-day SMA here on the 4-hour time frame. That's what I'd like to see, but we want to reclaim this level, guys, of 98,600. We want to break above there and start closing candles above there, but for right now, doesn't look like that's going to happen tonight. Going down to the 1 hour, yeah, you know, same thing, just kind of ticking along here, guys. Just kind of ticking along. We're below the 30-day SMA here. RSI, again, creeping into the oversold. Got to reclaim that level. All right, so what do we have for Jasmy updates today? Jasmy, as expected, the Financial Services Agency is currently considering changing the regulatory framework for crypto assets from the current Payment Services Act to the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act. According to the officials at the time, it is being considered to move to the regulation under the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act. Not all crypto assets, but only crypto assets that are suitable for financial instruments. I don't know if the positioning of securities is good or bad for Jasmy, but as an early learner, I don't care either. If the functions of the My Number card and the personal information wallet can be handled seamlessly, taxes can be easily calculated. You may be criticized for not being able to escape taxes, but the more data you accumulate, the more rewards you will receive. If you don't lock it, you won't get rewards. Talking about the lockup for the PDL. Rather than being monitored by the government, PDL's decentralized strengths need to be more widely understood. It is a system in which those who participate first can enjoy the benefits. So, Jasmy being the only legally regulated crypto in Japan, this could spell good news, my friends. Good news indeed. And courtesy Mark Reddick. We always give credit to the content creators, right? Make sure you go give him a follow at Jasmy Network. It says, welcome to the world of imagination, a world where technology empowers humanity, creativity flows freely, and abundance is within reach for all. Together, let's build a human-centric society driven by collaboration and innovation and unity. Check it out.
The Jasmy ecosystem. Empowering the age of imagination. Imagine a world where untapped potential flows freely. Jasmy and Janction bring this vision to life, creating a foundation for global collaboration. Together, they transform data and resources into tools for innovation and equity. Decentralization is the key to sustainability. Traditional systems waste resources and centralize power. Jasmy's ecosystem flips this model, redistributing power through decentralization. This approach ensures sustainability, privacy, and trust-driven collaboration. Data ownership redefined. With Jasmy's personal data lockers, PDLs, individuals take back control. Corporations can no longer exploit personal information, and users decide how their data is used. This system turns data into an asset owned and managed by the individual. Energy efficiency through computational pooling. Idle computational power is transformed into a resource. Jasmy's decentralized network uses only the energy required, reducing the environmental burden. It's a scalable, eco-friendly alternative to traditional supercomputers. A circular economy powered by Jasmy coins. Jasmy coins reward contributions to the ecosystem, creating a self-sustaining cycle. Universities, corporations, and individuals monetize unused resources, reinvesting in innovation. Nothing is wasted, and progress becomes a shared endeavor. Janction. The global marketplace for knowledge. Janction is where unused resources and untapped data meet global demand. It's a marketplace for computational power, insights, and collaboration. Think of it as the world's think tank, driven by shared intelligence. Unlocking dormant potential. Idle resources and underutilized data centers become valuable assets. Janction connects these resources with projects that need them, from rural schools to global research initiatives. It creates income opportunities while advancing innovation. A marketplace of intelligence. Janction trades not just computational power but ideas and insights. Whether you're simulating a medical breakthrough or mapping a pandemic, Janction provides the tools and data you need. It's a hub for global collaboration. Trust built on blockchain. Jasmy's blockchain ensures every transaction is secure and transparent. Contributions are validated and rewarded, and participants retain control of their assets. It's a system built on accountability and trust. Education without borders. Students in remote areas access computational resources once reserved for elite institutions. Professors monetize unused assets to fund scholarships and expand opportunities. Jasmy transforms education into an equitable, immersive experience. Revolutionizing healthcare. Anonymized health data drives breakthroughs in medicine. Jasmy coins incentivize safe data sharing, fostering collaboration between patients, doctors, and researchers. Healthcare becomes predictive, personalized, and globally impactful. Sustainable innovation. Corporations reduce their environmental impact by contributing idle resources to Janction. Jasmy tracks and rewards green practices, aligning innovation with sustainability. The network spreads advancements across the globe. Governance and transparency. Governments adopt Jasmy's blockchain for transparent policy making and voting. Citizens trust their leaders because decisions are secure and verifiable. It's governance built on accountability and equity. A new economy of passion. Instead of working to survive, people work for passion. Artists and scientists thrive in an ecosystem that rewards creativity and contribution. Jasmy supports innovation at every level, removing barriers to progress. The essential role of Jasmy and Janction. This future isn't possible without Jasmy and Janction. Jasmy provides the trust and infrastructure, while Janction connects the world's resources. Together, they create a foundation for global equity and innovation. Building a collaborative future. Jasmy and Janction replace silos with networks of opportunity. Collaboration becomes the norm, and progress is no longer limited by access. It's a world where technology serves humanity and imagination drives the future. A call to action. The age of imagination is here, and the possibilities are limitless. With Jasmy and Janction leading the way, we can build a world where collaboration replaces competition. Are you ready to step into this new reality?
Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments section down below. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon, guys. The link is down below. We can help you with your exit strategy, your profit-taking plan. Make sure you're getting out of the market with your profits intact. Do not be left behind by exchanges and by the runaround that you get, not being able to identify where liquidity is in the market so your sell orders actually fill. This is a real problem, guys. If you don't know where liquidity is in the market, where buy orders are accumulating, you will not know. You can put your sell orders in and the price can go right through your sell order and not fill it. And you will be left standing there going, why the hell did my sell order not fill? This is a scam. I need my money, right? And you will end up holding your crypto for 4 more years. There's nothing worse than that, guys. Nothing worse than that. So get over to the Patreon, join our community. We have a massive community, hundreds of people over there. Jump over, guys. We can help you with your exit strategies, your profit-taking plan. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. You can join our group video calls that we do every single evening. And if you miss them, we record them and we post them on the Patreon so you can rewatch whatever it is we covered in the group video call if you missed it. So get over there, guys. We do it nightly. Check it out. The link is down below. Once again, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.